Today, you're kind of thinking, okay, what have I started getting into and committed to? But you know what? I'm used to traveling. This is going to be a little bit different, but stay along with the adventure. Well, welcome to my new truck camper, Travelaire 7.6, kind of like the lightest one, mid-size. And I'll do I'm going to do a brief walk around prior to them putting it on the truck. This is great. I'm going to have hot water, and I'm also going to have the outdoor hot water hose. And the reason I got this is because it has an inside toilet, even for the size that I can put on the truck. And I got two 20-pound propane tanks. I decided to spend the extra money to get the Happy Jacks, and right now they're working on the attachment system for the torque lifts. Stairs, rear awning, fridge, heat, 3-burner stove, and of course the toilet, which is great. More than enough room when you're traveling solo. I hadn't planned to go almost new. This is 2024. But the price is good, and the tariffs haven't set in yet, so I've got a really good deal on it. So this is great. So what's going to happen next is, after they finish working on the attachment system, they'll bring the truck, and we'll get lots of footage on when they're loading the truck here. Okay, they're bringing the truck in. Bringing the truck in to load up the camper.
Hold on. You're getting close to the rail on this side, buddy. Keep going. Yeah. Turn to the right a little bit. Straighten out. Yeah. There you go. Keep going. Okay. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Rhyse Richardson, head of parts for Traveland at Airdrie. I just put in the camper on now and using the use the automatic drill, which I have to get. If I pause for a minute, it's because I'm just watching the action here.
Well, we gotta go start going this way. We gotta start walking this way. Right up.
Hey everyone, my name is Rhyse Richardson and I'm with Traveland RV out here in Airdrie. We just loaded this beautiful Travelaire on Mr. Gow's truck. At the moment I'm installing the fastguns. They're the #1 selling tie downs for truck campers at the moment. Spring loaded tie downs, snap shut so you have that bridge connection between the truck camper and the truck.
Now, Rhyse, you mentioned to me that this, because it's a rear one, it's preset already? The length?
So the rear ones, you just have to set them to the right length. All the trucks are a little different with the length you go from where you hook it onto the camper to where you actually hook it onto the belly bar. Once I set it the first time though, you never have to set it again unless if you change trucks.
Okay.
Other than that, you'll be good for all of your adventures out there.
So it's got a bit of a give to it?
Yeah, so the bottom belly bar does have a little bit of movement. When you connect the fast gun to the belly bar, that's what snugs it up and tightens it up in place there for you.
Rhyse, is there any last minute things I should know, especially about this?
Pointer, just when you do have everything snapped down into place, you do have your safety pins that do go through the handle. So then when you are traveling down the road, no matter the condition of road, even if it is bumpy terrain, these are snug and your handle won't pop up on you. You can buy locks from Fastgun themselves as well, so then you can lock this down onto your camper so no one does mess with your setup here.
Okay, well, thank you. Okay. Well, Rhyse is putting the finishing touches on this. Looks like it'll be all set to go shortly here. So, keep Eddie updated on the travels.